Hi, I've got my X10 open. I just created a simple little box here with a hip roof on it. And the way to make a custom material on the fly like this, and let's see, let me open a browser. I'll just use this picture of George Soros. That'll do fine. I'm going to drag it over here to the side a little bit. That's good enough. Well, maybe I'm going to drag it over a little bit more. Okay, there, so I've got his mug right there. Okay, now I'm going to use this tool here, the Adjust Material tool, and click on the material, standing seam, white standing seam, excuse me. All right, now I'm going to click on this material color, and you get this dialog here with an eyedropper. And now I'm going to, I'm just going to drag this over on my other monitor. You just had to, but it's going to be this mug of George Soros on my second monitor. I'm lining that up on my second monitor. Okay, so I'm going to get George Soros's skin color with this eyedropper. Left click, and add it to the custom colors. Let's see, let me do that again. I'll get his shirt. His skin's not, yeah, there's a blue color. I'll add the custom colors. See, now I've turned the vector view color of this material from white to blue. The next thing you have to do is go over to the texture tab and check blend with texture. And that makes a blue texture that matches the blue of George Soros's shirt. And then to apply it to the material, just click OK. And then there's your blue, new blue material. And I'll do that again. The Adjust Material tool, click on the material you want to adjust. Click on the color. We'll change it to some other color without using the eyedropper. But if the eyedropper is for like getting a specific color, and if you just want to change the shade of it a little bit, you can use this slider here to make it lighter. I made it lighter, and I've already checked over here blend with texture, so that'll make it a lighter blue. You get the idea. It's pretty simple, and that's one of the ways you can do it. I think that's the easiest way. Anyway, thanks for watching.